Hey guys, Dynamite647 here. In this video, we look at transferring data from your old phone to your new phone. The old phone in this case is the Samsung Galaxy S4, which is on the left side, and the new phone is the Google Pixel 2, that's on the right side. So the first thing is, as you can see on the Pixel 2, it uses the USB Type-C port. You will need an adapter. The phone does come with an adapter in the box. Most phones do nowadays. So you can see this adapter is a USB A to C. The Pixel comes with a USB Type-C to C cable, so that is not useful for us in this case because the old phone is a micro USB, so for which I have the USB A to micro USB cable. So powering on the phone, Google Pixel 2, the transfer should be pretty straightforward. There's a software built into the Google that does it. So let's just see what option it gives us. Usually the first thing would be the Wi-Fi setup or the SIM card tool. So here you go, there's the Wi-Fi. I've entered my password. It's downloading the data transfer tool, checking for updates as well. Once it does that, I'm going to copy data from old phone. Here's going to tell you how to hook up your the cables. So I'm just going to go through, connect all the cables and adapters. As soon as you plug in the adapter into your new phone, you'll get a prompt on your old phone. If you have a passcode on the old phone, you'll enter that passcode. And basically what this is asking you is, do you want to make sure, do you want to continue with transferring data? So you're just going to press next. From here on, it's going to ask you again to confirm, and you're going to press copy. So once you press copy, you should get a prompt on your new phone which is stating all of the updates, all of the files, they're all going to be transferred rather. You should see, so there you go, there are all the options. You can pretty much at this point pick and choose what you want transferred. I am going ahead and transferring everything from my old phone to the new phone, so I'm just going to press copy here. Let's go ahead and press copy. At this point the phone will start copying all the data. You can continue finishing up the rest of the setup. So if you press next here, it's gonna ask you to do the pixel imprint, which is unlocking with your thumb. You can press up your passcode here. I'm going to skip that for now. You can also set up your Google Assistant here. I'm just going to skip these for now. The last option is all of your backup and all of your location location accuracy, stuff like that. So you can just choose the settings, and I'm just going to fast forward at this point because it's gonna take a while to copy all of the data. It also depends on how much data you have. So here you go, all of the data is complete. It took me about 10 minutes to transfer all the data. So if you press finished here, it's going to just add the finishing touches, basically the look of the phone. Do note it didn't ask me to insert a SIM card because I have a demo SIM inside the phone right now. I'll show you that in a second once the phone is done updating. So there you go, everything is being transferred, even the background. You can move the cable, it will update and download apps and do all that kind of stuff. So I'm going to show you that demo SIM I was talking about. Usually you get a prompt right at the beginning to insert a SIM, but in this case, since I had a demo SIM, it didn't ask me. So I'm going to actually remove this SIM card and enter the SIM card from my old phone, the Samsung Galaxy S4. And actually the thing is, I just realized Samsung uses the regular size SIM, Google Pixel uses nano SIM, so I'll have to actually cut down my SIM card to the size of the Google Pixel 2. So here I'm just cutting it down, just trimming the SIM card. And do note that when you're doing this, don't cut the gold part from the SIM card, as then could damage it. I prefer just, if you have a nano SIM, use that. I'm going to insert the SIM card while the phone is on. It should actually read it, pick it up, so let's just find out if it does that. I think it is. Oh, there you go, yeah. So as you can see at the top here, it did pick the SIM card, so everything is good. Pretty much all the data has been transferred. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, put them in the comment section below, and I'll catch you guys at the next video.